let's begin to do a square knot using only 3 strands. The middle strand is just there, so this could be more than 1 strand. It could be 2, 3, 4. So all we just want to concentrate is on the outside here of these 2 strands. So to start the square knot, we're going to start and we're going to create a bend in the material. So you're just going to push down and cross over. So you're crossing over the yellow and the red. You're now going to take this red that's coming straight down and you're just going to put it up over top. You're now going to take this same strand that's over top and you're going to go up underneath the center line, which is the yellow, and you're going to push it so that it comes out of this space right here. And you're just going to pull. And that's 1/2 of your square knot. To start the next one, you're going to just put them back down into position and you're going to use this strand right here and cross over. This strand that's underneath, you're going to pick it up and put it up over top. And with that same strand, you want to go up underneath the yellow center line and come out this space right here. And then you can pull it. And that is your square knot, just like you see. So you can just pull it nice and snug, and you can see that the yellow is just consequential. It's just there to hold everything nicely together. So let's review one more time. We're going to take this strand here and we're going to cross over. So just bend it over and it's up and over top of the yellow and the red. This red one right here, we want to pick it up, and so it's lying on top of that crossover one. That same one, you want to go up underneath the center line and just pick it up and just push it so that it's going to come out of this space right here. And now you can pull. This is the first half of your square knot. So now we're going to just position them back into position so that they're straight down, and you're gonna concentrate on this side first. So just punch down and cross over everything. And now this strand that's going down, you're just gonna pick it up so that it goes over top of the one that's crossing over. And then that same strand, you're going to go up underneath the center line, so just pick it up and you want to come out this space right here. And then you're gonna pull. So now you can just pull everything nice and snug, just like you see. And this is a square knot using only 3 strands.